What's up, my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? Excuse the noise of the waves here in beautiful Mallorca. I just wanted to share a little quick video about this health and wellness journey that I'm all about promoting. And a lot of people see me always talking about fruit, showing off fruit. But I just want to let you know that it's more than the fruit and the food that you eat. It's about feeling the best that you can in your body on this planet. And the food is really just a small part of the health. And health is only a small part of the big picture, which is really about connecting with Mother Nature, the source of our life, as well as the mighty sun, which is shining on us, that gives everything life. So the raw fruits and vegetables, herbs, nuts, seeds, sprouts, legumes, and all that stuff, it has these living elements that the earth, the planet, is made up of. It has the sunlight in all of these plants. It has the living water, the structured water, the pure oxygen, and it has the minerals, the nutrients, the vitamins, and all the stuff that makes up the earth element. So when I consume that, I'm just becoming it. But it's more than the food. It's important to be out in nature, to be getting the sunshine on you, on your skin, even looking at the sun when you can. Better in the evenings and in the mornings when the sun is not too bright. Look at it, sun gaze a bit. You'll get that sunlight going right into your blood, through your blood vessels in the eyes. Spend some time. Put your bare feet on the earth, on the rocks, on the dirt, on the grass, and reconnect with the Mother Earth. Jump in the water when you can. It's a little cold right now, but as soon as I can, I'm gonna jump in the water. I can't wait. It's slowly warming up here. Touching the water, being in touch with the elements, getting the sun, and of course the fresh air. Breathing in that beautiful prana, baby, like Ralph Smart. So you want to breathe that fresh air. Outside is always fresher air than inside, because inside air gets trapped unless you have a good air filter system. Anyways, just wanted to share that. So much more to health and wellness, like moving your body, doing sports. You can see my bike up there. I think can't see nothing because all I see is sun glare. And yeah, when I go home tonight, you can see I got my music. I love music. It inspires me. I'm gonna go home and just freestyle and let loose a bit, do my passion. So there's all these aspects to health and wellness. Another thing is surround yourself with people who will lift you up and encourage you on your journey to being healthy and to adopting a healthy lifestyle. And if you want help with that, of course, you know already, check the description below for a link to my free video series. For 7 days, I'll send you an email. It's a little homework assignment to get healthy. Comes with a meal plan and recipe book. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to promote the living elements that we are made up of. So go and connect with them and have a beautiful day.